Every morning, there's a brief moment most people never notice. A window. Your brain hasn't fully woken up yet. The noise hasn't started. The doubt hasn't taken over. In that moment, your mind is open, unprotected, suggestible. And most people poison it immediately. They scroll. They rush. They panic about a day that hasn't happened yet. They hand their mind over to the world before deciding who they want to be. That's a mistake, because the way you start your morning quietly decides who controls you for the rest of the day. This isn't motivation. It's conditioning. Ancient Stoic philosophy, backed by modern neuroscience. 5 thoughts, repeated every morning, that either armor your mind or leave it exposed. Why morning matters right after you wake up. Your brain is still half dreaming. The critical voice isn't fully online yet. The part of you that resists change is still asleep. Think of it like this. Your subconscious door is cracked open. Whatever you let in now goes deeper, stays longer, shapes how you react to everything that follows. So if you feel lost, overwhelmed, or like you're living on autopilot, this is where it starts. 1. Today, I will meet resistance. Marcus Aurelius told himself this every morning, not to be negative, but to stay sane. Something will go wrong today. Someone will disappoint you. Life will push back. If you expect ease, resistance feels like failure. If you expect resistance, it feels normal. You don't panic. You don't spiral. You say, I knew this was coming. Resistance stops being an enemy. It becomes the terrain. 2. I can't control everything, but I can control how I show up. Most people exhaust themselves fighting reality. They try to control other people, outcomes, the past. That's where anxiety lives. The Stoics split life into 2 categories. What's in your control and what isn't? Your actions, your attitude, your effort. That's it. Everything else is noise. The moment stress hits, ask, is this mine to control? If not, drop it. If yes, act. Clarity replaces chaos. 3. I am not my thoughts. Your brain lies to you constantly. It predicts failure, invents danger, replays shame, not because it's broken, because it's ancient. Fear kept your ancestors alive, but safety never made anyone great. A thought is not truth. It's not destiny. It's just a signal. You are not the machine. You're the one watching it run. When a dark thought appears, don't fight it. Label it. Create distance. That's a thought, not me. That separation is power. 4. I am grateful for what I have. Gratitude isn't soft. It's defiance. In a world that tells you you're behind, gratitude says, I have enough. Not forever, but for now. And now is all your brain ever experiences. Be specific. The quiet. The light. Your breath still moving in and out. Most people never notice how much they already have, and they spend their lives chasing what they think will save them. Gratitude rewires that hunger. 5. I will die. This is the thought people avoid. Stoics didn't. Memento mori. Remember you are going to die. Not to depress you, to wake you up. You are not guaranteed another sunrise. So ask yourself, if today was your last, would this be how you live it? It clarifies priorities. It exposes what matters. Use it as a compass. HOWTO, use this. Write these 5 statements down for the next 7 days. Wake up. Breathe for 1 minute. Read them out loud. You're not hyping yourself up. You're programming the voice that speaks when life gets loud. Because if you don't choose your thoughts in the morning, the world will choose them for you.